Alright, so welcome back guys. This is Fred, ang tao na sa likod ng Kabales official channel. Welcome you all sa ating new episode for today. Okay, so and of course guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe guys, okay? So ngayon guys, meron tayong isi-share po sa inyo ng pinakamalupit na paraan on how to make money online. And this is actually perfect if you are shy people? Of course, sometimes like ayaw niyong mag-receive ng call o di kaya katulad nito nag face to face with camera and you just really want to do like non-voice job or di kaya typing test. Okay, so this is perfect for you. Okay, so I'm gonna share it to you guys the websites and of course how to hone your skills, and the later part don't forget to miss this video at the end of this one kasi meron tayong of course mga strategies and bonuses for you. Okay, so but for that, let's do it guys. Okay, so this job overview muna tayo sa job guys. Job is actually typing test. Pwede kayo mag-manage ng social medias and more on typing test talaga. So wala talaga yung gagawin nito na face to face. Tatawa ko sa face to face. Face to face, and of course, call by call. Okay, so it's really all about non-voice and just only for typing. Okay, so related lang po siya for typing. Okay, so wala na tayo yung patumpik-tumpik pa, diretso na tayo. Okay, so but before that, of course, pag apply kayo, make sure meron kayong background yan, di ba? And one of the reasons na kailangan natin mag-practice for our own skill kasi gusto natin ma-improve pa yung sarili natin as a professional, di ba? So this site guys, ZipRecruiter is actually a typing test. So since papasok tayo sa online job or sa freelance na magte-test lang kayo for typing, so you actually better nga mag-practice muna tayo, okay? So merong site na ganyan guys. So ito papakita ko sa'yo. Okay, so yan. Touch nyo lang ang ZipRecruiter. Sign in lang po kayo dito. Email lang kailangan. And then pagkatapos dyan, meron na kayong parang arena na free. Okay, so magta-type lang kayo dito sa mga site na to and then i-reveal niya kung anong kakayahan nyo. Okay, so sila mag-feedback para sa'yo. Wala siyang ano siya guys, free lang po siya. Okay, so this actually something like typing test. Okay, another one as well, we have Typing.com. So that's the same with the other one. Okay, all you need to do here is that magta-type lang kayo, then meron para siyang mga score. Okay, so madami po siya guys. Meron siyang tool.com. So dalawa lang yung pinakita ko dito, and of course kung gusto niyo mag-explore pa, just google it na typing test. So aaring kada yan diretso. Okay, so yan po. And actually guys, we will give you the sites. Okay, so these are the sites guys. Okay, so the first one we have the rev.com. So this is actually na-discuss na natin for mostly videos kasi I highly recommend to do this kind of site kasi nagbabayad siya mabilis, and of course yung job dito is hindi nauubos. Okay, so you can choose by transcription, captions, foreign subtitle, and then of course since nag-practice na kayo with your skills for typing test, pwede na kayong banat buto dito. Okay, so that's really amazing with that one. And another one as well, they are very respective company and they are connected with a great network all over the world, and so hindi talaga mag-zero dito. Okay, so that's rev.com. Okay, so if you don't know how to sign up this one guys, make sure you have just an email address and of course PayPal para ma-receive nyo yung payment, and of course makapasok po kayo dito, and all you need to do is sign up or log in dito, and then meron na kayong account. Okay, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have here the 1888 type at typeitup.com. Okay, so ano ba yung type it up. So marahil sa mga beginners win online, seeking for money or dollars dito kasi um, ang dami nating mga kababayan na medyo nawalan o na breakdown sa pagdating sa trabaho, 'di ba? So these are the things online na pwede tayong makakita ng extra, 'di ba? Or di kaya full time. With this kind of things, guys, 188 type it up is all you need to do. That's the same with rev.com, but this one is actually para siyang ano, guys, 100% US based, superior quality enhanced US crop. So, pwede po siya sa international. All you need to do here, that's the same. Okay? So, that's the same. Magta-type lang kayo. Then pagkatapos nyo mag-type, okay na kayo. Okay? So, pagkatapos nyan, guys, they are the clients saying with it was quick and efficient. Oh, sabi nga ng client. And then, of course, the next client also staff very professional, efficient, easy to work. The process was seamless. So, if you can see this one, guys, the 5-star reviews with the client, masasabi nyo talagang napaka the best yung services na. So, these are the proof for if you are looking for a job in online kasi we actually want to be the best in the best company, right? And we want to impart our skills nga mahon pa yung skills natin. Hindi lang tayo nagtatrabaho para kumita ng pera, kundi nagtatrabaho tayo, mahon yung skills natin, na mag-improve tayo sa day by day sa company nila. Okay? So this is the best site interviews with the client to them. Okay? So another one as well, how to apply this one. Just really want to just click this item here, this icon, the apply button, and then it will go to the next one, guys. So transcription application. Please do not call regarding your applications. Any call or applicant will result immediate dismissal. Okay. So huwag na kayong tumawag, guys. Kung nag-apply kayo dito, huwag na kayong mag-follow up kasi and every single day, ang dami talaga mga applications international na kinukuha nila. So much better if you submit your applications, make it attractive, and of course make it nga ano siya, guys, ano yung edges mo sa mga other applicants na meron kayo, okay? So gano'n lang po siya para maano kayo, parang kung sa sampung applications na meron sila, then nakita nila yung resume mo is unique, and then may edges ka toward other resume na meron kunyari, magpapasa ka ng resume, in every job naman applicable 'to, 'di ba? And nag-apply ka transcriptionist, then wala kang experience, all you need to do is just like I take the course, and then I also um, learn how to make my skills in typing test, and have a test like typing.com, di kaya ZipRecruiter, di kaya typingtool.com to hone my skills. And with that magiging ano siya, guys, magiging positive, magiging strength nyo yung weaknesses nyo. So by that, of course, meron na kayong edges towards other people. Unlike 'pag plain lang siya, guys, kunyari mag-a-apply kayo, wala kayong masyadong nilagay sa strength niyo, 'di ba? So, parang I want to apply, I want to able to help the company nga na ganito, ganyan, okay? So, it's very different from the other one, okay? So, gano'n lang po kasimple. All you need to do is make your name here, and then pagkatapos niyan, all other informations dito, and click submit. Okay? So, tatawagan lang po kayo niyan, guys, diretso. Another one as well, we have WriterAccess.com. So, it's like an app work, free up. It's like the same. We just need to find work, write access. So, from Word, WriterAccess. If you are very good with writing o di kaya typing test, so meron kayong kakilala na magaling sa writing, so pwede po sila dito, guys. Okay, so started company pa nga siya. Na-locate ko yung website niya kasi hindi siya masyadong known, but definitely this is really the best opportunity kasi pag bagong website, guys, meaning bagong opportunities, high rates, and of course pag high rates, more clients, more money as well. Okay, so what you need to do here, that's the same also with transcriptionist, but it has another services like I'll write AI writer search, topic finder, and SEO tools. Okay, so ilang mong tutulong sa inyo para mag-connect ng client to your services. Okay, so it's like a software. And what turn on the diligence, one of those delight, of course, access with 14,000 freelancers ready for hire. Okay, so included na kayo dyan sa 14,000 yan, guys. And we will do, okay, if you want to know more about the company, guys, pwede kayong mag-content strategy. Download now, and then top 13 of my content marketing tools, professional writing, and other stuff as well. Okay, so if you want also to know more about other skills o upskill kayo, pwede kayong manood ng webinars nila. Okay, so meron po yung mga good tools para makita yung mga potential kung anong mga skills na i-upgrade natin. Okay, so once you are ready, guys, you just click apply now. And then pagkatapos nyan, you will be directed to the next site, which is the application form. Okay, how does it work? Sabi nga niya, simply fill out the form and then 5 minutes or less exactly to here within 2 weeks. Pagkatapos ng 2 weeks, guys, okay, so i-hired na kayo niyan once you pass all their qualifications. And of course, okay, so kunyari writer kayo, designer, editor, ito papasok kayo dito, guys, sa translator. Okay, so once you do choose your skills dito, okay, so we have contact info, pagkatapos niyan profile, portfolio, resume, and submit applications. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya ka-simple, guys. These three websites is really highly recommendable. And of course, this is legit sites. Kailangan nyo lang talagang magtyaga dito, guys. And of course, hone your skills. Once you hone your skills, rewards will come. Okay? This very reward, makikita doon talaga ng reward. Okay? So, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Hopefully na meron pa yung natutunan. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kabalis official channel. And have a great day. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.